So for this time guys, I'm really thankful guys nga nag-grow atong watch hours. So even if hinahinay man but kanunay, so we cannot really see nga everyday mugamay siya, but it's really getting bigger guys. So muna naka good thing din so ato ara yun din is to be consistent sa pag-upload of mga new videos kay nga naman. So as siya, everyday ni sila nga nagtrabaho din because there's a lot of units nga moabot everyday as well. So there's a lot of tambay nga mga containers pa dito. So which is um, it really take time. So that's why pinaspasay ginilang trabaho din guys. So if you really want to order any units, so makuha gina ninyo siya sa karentesadong oras sa sakto o di kalidad o reasonable nga presyo. So parehanin ni Manong karon. So kani, I don't know if this unit has been sold already, but as of the moment gitest na siya some of the units if na mga ginagmay nga mga kuan, mga guba. So ayo gina siya din guys. So i-test drive, after test drive kung ano na siya guys, grabe kay mga testing nga gipanghimo ano nila din nga mga mag-change oil if it needs to be change oil. So tanan-tanan ng mga kinahanglanon kay ngano naa dinhi tanang banggiitang mekaniko nag sama-sama full force nga naa dinhi and with different skills and abilities to perform. So muna siyang you can really rely on Asia guys kay why kung usay gina-release na nila din that really represents them. So that really represents them on what are the products that they have, the quality and the vehicles as well. So it really is it is really performance matters guys kaya ano Asia is not just for one time purchase only. They are building a relationship to those customers that can benefits about their products. It will be a long-term goals, long-term run, and they are really aiming you will not just purchase once but twice or a lifetime, as long na mas successful ang yung business or as long as you will be satisfied about the vehicles that they had, about the performance and the services that they can offer. So here in Asia guys, so you can count on me. You can really approach me about that, about the concerns and all the inquiries. So I'm here. So you can really check me on Facebook. My name is Don John Rick. And on YouTube, my name is Kitch TV. It's your boy Kasa Kasa in the house. So as of the moment, so focused on ni Manong and we don't know what are the process and things nga iyahang gina-take sa pagkakaroon. So we're here. So really happy nga makita gina to. So this is really the good and best company that I can really offer to you guys, that I can really recommend you. I can put my name on it. Yes, it's because it is already proven and tested, and that's the goal here. This company will not exist long time ago if this will not exist kung wala gini siya sakto nga mga proseso and dili siya proven nga naghatag og nindot nga serbisyo sa mga tao. So as you can see, a lot of my updates in Facebook nga makita nimo na mga customers nga moanhi dinhi and so on and so forth nga mag-inquires, and some of them are really eager to get to have some informations about those cars or vehicles nga ginabaligya dinhi sa Asia guys. So you can really see some unfamiliar faces here. So kana sila na mga type of person, they are the customers nga nag-inquire. It's because as a customer also you will be vigilant about the price and the qualities of the product. You really need to know about it nga dapat swak og sakto gyud sa budget ba and the kalidad ba. So mao gina importante guys, as a vehicle owner dapat kabalo ka nga kanang imong gidrivean nga sakyanan is really reliable when it comes to service and mode of transportation. Kailangan nga from here to there, from this place to another places, so you can rely on it. So here in Asia, so we're here we're good to go. And yes, makita nimo na yung mga lain-laing tao nga mo test, so some of them has different skill sets and abilities to perform, and they do have some different knowledge about the machines nga imong makita din sa Asia. So kana, so katawa-katawa lang sa manay, we don't know about the struggles nga ilang gina-partake every day, about the things nga ilahang gina-handle and ilang gina-encounter every day as well. So um, if you're really planning to buy and you still need some time, so you can still check my updates. It will be a daily vlog, so there will be no edits or filters that you can see. So makita nimo kung unsay naa din na sa phone na to karon. What you see is what you get. So you can approach me, you can rely on me, you can chat me on Messenger or Facebook, you can comment in the comment sections, and you can also call on me. So mawala na siya, you can call on me, and I'll put my phone number, my cell phone number into the caption options and caption. And also, so kana, so about the pricing, you can just ask here. So sabot-sabot lang kita, dili lang Rusi ang naisabot-sabot lang ha. Here in Asia, mabuhat sad na nato. So sabot-sabot lang ta diri sa Asia, garantisado de kalidad pa, pang pamilya, pang sports pa. So yan. So kana, murag good to go naman ni siya. So i-test drive na ni siya, guys. From that time nga mo andar ni siya, paminawo ng tingog sa makina, and they will really know sa pagtingog lang sa makina, guys, they will know unsay mga kuan, unsay mga um, kanang mga conflict about the makina, kung nabay mga problema or wala. So they will really know about that just because of the sound of the machine. Grabe na sila, guys. So they're really doing this, I don't know, for a decade, for how many years already, but the experience is a must. So inani nga klase nga kon, guys, you cannot really rely on books. So yes, books is theoretical, but the experience is really the important thing. So experience matters here. So here in Asia, makita nimo lain-lain nga mga mekaniko, lain-lain skill sets and all. So they're really striving hard and cooperate, and they also work as one para ma-resolve ang mga problems about the machines. So unta, inyo ni grab nga kuan na moment na open lang kita. So also, if you're really going to order me, manhila mo din he, and I can really do an update because it is a made to order. So nasa mga hinimo na din he. So it's all up to you if ganahan baka katong mga bagong unit nga gikan yung Japan, nga bagong habwa gikan sa container van nga imong makita. You will be the one to choose about that. If wala pa siya mga ulo, wala pa tanan-tanan, it's into chop-chop pa lang siya. So gi-parts out mga na siya, guys, para i-ship din kay lisod man sad o kuan kay it really needs to have registration. So kung kago na siya nga sakyanan and so on, inikabungkag, so dinhin na siya prosesan og mga registration. So if we're going to tackle about registration also, so here in Asia, sila na sad mismo ang mo buhat ana para ninyo. So sa inyong buhaton na lang, just sit back and relax and wait for the unit nga mahuman, and you can enjoy the service and the quality of the product as well. So after that, pwede na kayo mo maadtog long weekend, if it's a long weekend or holidays, so you can go to the beach and do some bonding, and members count, not the money, guys. So yun na lang. So you can really see a lot of updates diri sa akong Facebook and sa kuha sang social media platform and to YouTube. So please help me nga ma-monetize ato ang Facebook, atong Facebook and atong YouTube as well, para sa natin mga fans nga pwede sa natin nga ma-raise ani dire, nga pwede sa natin matabang sa mga mekaniko, even for snacks and for drinking purposes. Na lang siya, guys. So it's your boy Kasakasan the house. So unta magtinabang na ito din idapita. So magka-negotiate, magka-close tag deal about the products nga ginabaligya namo din sa Asia. So kana, so that's all for today's, guys. So kay ato pa mag-take pa tag pictures atong katong ibaligya sad nga unit dito sa Pikas nga kuan branch dito sa gawas nga it's really from Asia sad. Canter daw to siya, guys. So it is ranging from 350,000 to 400. check na ato dito. So ato na siya sad nga ibaligya. Hopefully nga naay mo palit ato na customer kay grabe sad guys. Grabe kanindo. Second hand but the good thing mura gyud siya brand new condition guys, and you can rely on it. So that's all. Boy Kasa signing off. Mo adto sa ta dito dapit. Ato tong picturean. Yeah.